Begin by putting on the yukata, just like you would a robe. Don't worry if it seems too long or even touches the floor at this stage. That's perfectly normal. You'll adjust the length in the next steps. Now, hold both front panels of the yukata with your hands. Gently lift the yukata so the bottom rises off the floor and adjust it until the hem reaches just above your ankles. This allows you to move comfortably and keeps the yukata looking neat. Take the right panel and wrap it around your body. Then, take the left panel and wrap it over the right one. It's super important to have the left panel on top of the right. Remember the phrase, leftover rice. To help you, leftover right. To keep your yukata in place, use a koshihimo, a thin sash or cord. Tie it securely around your waist, just above your hips. This will hold your yukata and maintain the neat shape you've created. Smooth out any wrinkles or bunching at the top of the yukata, both in the front and the back, to ensure the collar sits neatly and the material lays flat against your body. Take a second koshihimo and tie it around your waist, just below the bust, to keep the upper portion of the yukata in place. This helps maintain the crisp lines of the collar and ensures the yukata stays tidy as you move. Now you're ready to put on your favorite obi to complete the look.